DJI Osmo Pocket 4, fully unboxed, powered on, and ready to redefine everything you thought you knew about compact filmmaking. Let's not waste a single second. Look at this packaging. DJI has gone for a sleeker, more premium aesthetic. As we slide this cover off, the first thing you notice is the presentation. And there it is, the Osmo Pocket 4. At first glance, it looks familiar, but the moment you pick it up, you feel the difference. The build quality has been stepped up. It feels denser, more rugged, like it's ready for an actual production set. The real magic starts the moment we flick that screen. That iconic rotating screen is back, but it's bigger, brighter, and the haptic feedback when it snaps in a landscape mode is absolute perfection. But we aren't just here to look at the outside. We are here for what's inside this tiny beast. Let's talk about the sensor. DJI evolved the 1-inch sensor into a next-generation CMOS powerhouse with a staggering 14 stops of dynamic range. To put that in perspective, that is cinema camera territory. Whether you're shooting into a bright sunset or in a dimly lit club, the highlights won't blow out and the shadows won't turn into a muddy mess. This is the kind of image quality that makes people ask what big camera you used, only for you to pull this little guy out of your pocket. For pro shooters, 10-bit D-Log-M is here and refined. The skin tones are the most natural I have ever seen from a device this size. No more digital look. This is organic, creamy, and professional. Now let's talk about a major upgrade, storage. How many times have you been in the middle of a perfect shoot, only to see a card error? The Pocket 4 comes with 107 gigabytes of high-speed internal storage built right in, with 800 megabytes per second transfer speeds. You can literally shoot a whole day's worth of 4K footage without even putting a micro SD card in. It's a safety net and a total game changer for workflow. The gimbal is the new 4th gen 3-axis stabilization system. It feels smoother and more responsive. But the real secret sauce is ActiveTrack 7.0. This isn't just following a face anymore. It's using AI to understand the environment. It can track you through crowds, behind trees, and even predict your movement if you momentarily disappear from the frame. It's like having a professional camera operator living inside your pocket. Audio has also been overhauled. The Pocket 4 now supports 4-channel audio output, capturing a spatial, immersive soundstage that makes your viewers feel like they're standing right there next to you. Looking at the creator combo, we've got the new Mic 3 transmitter, which pairs instantly. We have the wide-angle lens attachment that snaps on magnetically, and the battery handle that nearly doubles your shooting time. Speaking of battery, the efficiency on this model is insane, giving significantly longer runtimes even at high frame rates. Another massive feature is the 2x lossless zoom. Because the sensor resolution is so high, you can punch in without losing that crisp 4K detail. It opens up creative framing options that were simply impossible on previous models. Every single detail, from the textured grip to the repositioned joystick, tells me that DJI listened to every single complaint. This isn't just an incremental update. It is a leap forward. Imagine being able to walk through the streets of New York or the trails of the Grand Canyon with nothing but this in your hand, and coming home with footage that looks like it belongs on a streaming service. That is the promise of the Osmo Pocket 4. It removes the barrier between your vision and the final result. It is the king of vlogging cameras and the ultimate B-roll tool. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is officially here, and the game has changed. The tool is finally here. No more excuses. No more bulky gear. Just you, your creativity, and the most powerful pocket camera ever built. The DJI Pocket 4 has officially arrived, and its confirmed specifications highlight a significant leap in compact camera technology. At the heart of this device is a 1-inch sensor capable of delivering up to 14 stops of dynamic range, making sure exceptional detail in both shadows and highlights. This upgrade is complemented by features like 10-bit log color grading, which provides greater flexibility for cinematic post-production and 2x lossless zoom, allowing creators to reframe shots without sacrificing quality. Below, TechAvid explores how these advancements cater to a wide range of users, from casual vloggers to professional filmmakers. Explore how the DJI Pocket 4 enhances creative workflows with its 107 gigabytes of built-in storage, eliminating the need for external memory cards and 800 megabytes per second transfer speeds, which streamline file management. You'll also gain insight into the latest ActiveTrack 7.0 technology, designed to maintain precise focus on subjects even in fast-paced or crowded environments. Whether you're interested in the Creator Combo accessory package or the device's intuitive design, this breakdown offers a detailed look at how the DJI Pocket 4 meets the demands of modern content creation. The core of the DJI Pocket 4 is its powerful 1-inch sensor, a substantial upgrade that ensures exceptional image quality. This sensor provides up to 14 stops of dynamic range, allowing the capture of intricate details in both shadows and highlights. Whether you're shooting expansive landscapes or high-contrast scenes, this feature guarantees footage with remarkable clarity and depth. For creators who prioritize post-production flexibility, the inclusion of 10-bit log color grading is a standout feature. This capability offers a broader color spectrum and smoother gradients, making it easier to achieve cinematic results during editing. Additionally, the camera supports 2x lossless zoom, using its high resolution to maintain image quality while offering flexible framing options. A dedicated zoom button has been integrated into the design, allowing for quick and precise adjustments, further enhancing usability. Storage and speed, built-in efficiency. One of the most notable features of the DJI Pocket 4 is its 107 gigabytes of built-in storage, eliminating the need for external microSD cards. This built-in storage streamlines your workflow, making sure you have ample space to capture extended footage without interruptions. Whether you're working on long projects or capturing spontaneous moments, this feature provides a seamless experience. The device also supports transfer speeds of up to 800 megabytes per second, significantly reducing the time required to move files to your computer or other devices. This high-speed transfer capability is particularly beneficial for creators managing large video files or working under tight deadlines, making sure efficiency in fast-paced environments. Software enhancements, smarter subject tracking. The DJI Pocket 4 introduces ActiveTrack 7.0, the latest iteration of its subject tracking technology. This advanced system is engineered to handle complex scenarios, making sure your subject remains in focus even during rapid or unpredictable movements. Whether you're filming dynamic action scenes or tracking a subject in a crowded environment, ActiveTrack 7.0 delivers reliable and precise performance. This upgraded tracking system is particularly useful for vloggers, filmmakers, and event documentarians who require consistent focus on their subjects. By using advanced algorithms, ActiveTrack 7.0 adapts to challenging conditions, making it a valuable tool for capturing professional quality footage. Creator Combo, comprehensive accessory package. For users seeking a complete filmmaking solution, the Creator Combo package offers an extensive range of accessories designed to enhance your shooting experience. This package includes these accessories make the Creator Combo a versatile option for both professionals and hobbyists. By providing tools to tackle diverse shooting scenarios, this package ensures users can maximize the potential of the DJI Pocket 4 in any environment. Portability remains a key focus of the DJI Pocket 4. Its compact and lightweight design makes it an ideal companion for creators on the move, making sure you're always ready to capture moments as they unfold. The device's faster setup process allows you to start shooting quickly, whether you're documenting spontaneous events or working on planned projects. The intuitive interface and ergonomic design further enhance usability, making the DJI Pocket 4 accessible to users of all skill levels. Combined with its advanced features, this compact camera is well suited for a wide range of creative applications, from travel vlogging to professional filmmaking. A new standard in compact cameras. The DJI Pocket 4 establishes itself as a benchmark for portable cameras, offering an impressive combination of performance, convenience, and versatility. Its 1-inch sensor, advanced color grading capabilities, and robust build-in storage make it a powerful tool for creators seeking high-quality results. The addition of ActiveTrack 7.0 and the comprehensive Creator Combo package further enhances its appeal, catering to professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a filmmaker, a vlogger, or a casual user, the DJI Pocket 4 delivers a compelling mix of innovation and practicality, setting a new standard in the world of compact cameras. The first DJI Osmo Pocket 4 unboxing video has leaked, revealing new buttons, new case, new mic, and a smart fill light. However, the unboxing video doesn't seem to mention the famous creator combo. The Osmo Pocket 4 should have 107 gigabytes internal storage and 14 stops of dynamic range, now potentially launching earlier than expected on April 16 after years of suspense. The first unboxing video of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has finally leaked on YouTube, offering a detailed look at what content creators can expect from the Osmo Pocket 3 successor. While rumors originally pointed to an April 20th release, the video suggests the Pocket 4 might launch as early as April 16th, at least in China. US launch now rumored to take place in late April. Either way, we are weeks away from finding out.